How to log the TikTok application using your Face ID. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Either you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, you can use the similar steps because it might be slightly different, but what you should do is you should go to the very setting option, choose the very app lock application, and from there you can also choose the biometrics or the Face ID. When you tap on the Face ID, you can simply select the applications where you want your app lock Face ID to be enabled. After tapping and selecting on the very applications including the TikTok, you can simply tap on the Face ID and then save the option. Now whenever you open your TikTok, the Face ID, if it will only open when you show your Face ID. So that's how you can do it in your Android phone if the app lock is available, and also on your iPhone. If the app lock is not available on any of those, then you can simply install the app lock application from the Google Play Store and App Store as well. So this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.